welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry for the wait. I know it's been a while since I've posted, and I promise you that I'll try not to allow that to happen again. You know, life happened. As you can see, my room is a little bit different. That's because I'm back at home in Bermuda now. I'm not in school right now in Jamaica. It's summertime. So I have a lovely haul for you guys from Amazon. You guys know I love to shop at Amazon. But before we get into that, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the Dior gang. We would be so happy to have you. And if you don't follow me on social media, follow me at Miss Raven Dior or Makeup by Rave, where you can see more of my makeup looks. I'm gonna be posting a short video on this look today on my Instagram page, so go check it out. So first I'm gonna start out with these brushes. As you can see, the package has been open already because I actually tested these brushes. To be honest, they are pretty good, considering that they weren't that expensive. I'm going to put up a picture of the price and everything, and one thing I'm gonna do that I didn't do last time is put the link in the description so you guys can click and actually get it. So basically this comes with 10 brush set, 10 different brushes, and I'm gonna show you guys the brushes. I've actually used one set already. To be honest, I kind of wasn't feeling them at first. I felt like these could have been a bit better for blending. They're not terrible, but you just have to spend a little bit more time as opposed to like a Morphe brush set. So I'm just gonna show you guys the brushes right now and take them out of the packet. I bought 2 of these, so I've already used the other pack. Just gonna show you guys some of them. This is what they look like up close. They have a pretty good consistency. Like, you cannot go in expecting that they are of Morphe quality, but they are pretty good. And to be honest, I feel like if you are looking for a very smooth, flawless finish, no creases, these would be perfect because they kind of force you to have to spend an extra time to blend. Not the best if you're in a rush. And it also came with this. I'm not really sure what this is. I've never used it before, so don't judge me, but it came with this in the packet, and it also came with a cute little beauty blender. Now, I haven't tried the beauty blender because I use brushes. I don't really use beauty blenders, but this already feels like a good consistency. It's not too hard. It feels pretty much like the beauty blender. Ooh, this smells really good. But yeah, the consistency feels pretty good. So it feels like this would do a really good job at blending. Maybe I'll do a follow-up video just to let you guys know how this went. I also got this Fantasy makeup palette. I thought I would give it a try because it was like, I think recommended at the time, and it seemed to be a really good palette. I can swatch one of these for you. I did try to do a look. Excuse this is from my Morphe palette. Very pigmented, very nice. I actually tried to use this palette on my face for a look. The only thing that I would say about this is that yes, it is very pigmented, but it's not that blendable. I don't know why, but it was a pretty affordable palette. I do recommend it because it does give you a good variety of colors, and it's a beautiful palette, but it's not that great for blending, but it's a great palette. Next up, I got the Aztec clay mask. I'm sure you guys have seen people raving about this mask everywhere, just like I have, and I thought that it would be nice to give it a try. I actually have not opened it yet, so I guess we can open it here. And I have not tried it on my face simply because, not that I feel like the product is a bad product. I've only seen positive reviews, but it's taken me a really long time to get my skin in check. So I'm a little bit nervous, I won't lie, to try out this on my face, you know? I always have that fear when I'm trying something new. Let me just open this once again. Alrighty, so I finally got, just gonna show you guys what the inside looks like. So we have the directions right here, and I'm just gonna peel this off if you guys can see it, so we can just see what the inside looks like. Okay. Oh, so this is what it looks like. It's like a powdery consistency, and ooh, that smells ugh, gross, but I cannot wait to try this. I will be doing a separate review on this when I get the courage to put this on my skin, but I've only seen and heard good things about it, so I'm not really worried. Next up, we have this book that I thought I would check out. This is by Lisa Dixon. She is, I think, the head makeup artist for Benefit. Correct me if I'm wrong. This book is just so cute. It has so much fun stuff about makeup. It's basically like a makeup guidebook. And I think that no matter how experienced you are, it's always nice to have little books like this because you might learn different tips and tricks. And it has face masks, recipes, makeup stuff, all sorts of things. This is a really good find. And I haven't tried some of this stuff out yet, but I really plan on it for my page. Perfect content for Instagram. I also got these face gems. They're quite a variety. It came in a pack of 10. And I got this for carnival season in Bermuda. You know, we have carnival just like most islands do. And I thought it would be really cute to have these just because they're sticky already. It's easy to apply for like makeup and stuff. Very fun. I actually have a clip of me using one of these. I'll put it in the video so you can see what it looks like. But these are super cute and they stick on your face and they stay on pretty long. So I think that this is a good find considering the price. You get a variety. Really sweet deal, honestly. Next, I have these face masks. I want to do like a separate skin review video. So in that video, I can review these face masks and I can review the Aztec clay mask. I hope I said Aztec all this time. I hope I wasn't saying Aztec. Anyway, the Aztec clay mask, and so this is basically a pack of 12. I thought it would be nice for me to get these for like makeup clients, in case they need a little face mask before I start their makeup, or in case I need a little face mask. So it comes with a seaweed face mask, honey face mask, tea tree face mask, cucumber face mask, ginseng face mask, a charcoal face mask, avocado face mask, aloe face mask, collagen face mask, acai berry face mask, vitamin C, and a pomegranate face mask. And I, like I said, have been a little skeptical to try these on my face. I will do a follow-up video so you guys can see, because I just got my skin in check. I don't want nothing crazy to happen. As you can see, the glow is real. But I thought that it was a good find. Also, I got 3 packs of these lashes. I actually tried a pair, and I will post a little clip of the look where I tried them. And they are beautiful. Like, I felt like they were a little deceiving compared to what they look like when I saw them on Amazon, because when you see them in person, they kind of look very factory made, if that makes sense, not very natural looking. But when you actually put them on your own lashes, they look beautiful. They kind of just make your lashes look a bit fuller, not really much length. Well, not for me anyway, but I love the shape of these. These are so beautiful. And I got 3 packs. So I'm pretty sure you guys will see me using these if you follow me on my Instagram on multiple occasions, okay? Last but not least, I got a refill of this set. I got it the last time. To be honest, I think I might have gotten it from a different carrier, but I think this has 100 of each, and I just thought it was important to have these, you know, disposables, because I do makeup all the time, and you can't really, you know, you can't cross-contaminate, you can't do all of that. But guys, this brings me to the end of the review, and I hope you guys enjoyed this fabulous haul. I plan to do a follow-up video using some of these products that, you know, I haven't used yet, like the face mask, the Aztec clay mask. I will definitely do a look using the eyeshadow palette, so if you guys are interested in buying it, you guys can kind of see what it looks like, you know, or what looks you can create from it. But I feel like I've talked so much in this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for always watching my videos. I missed you guys so much. I love you guys. Didn't want it to be a rush. I'm gonna try my best to throw out some more content for you guys. I love you so much. If you like this look, check out my Instagram page. It should be up by now. And toodles. Love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.